Hello friends, with this trading strategy, it is almost impossible to lose money. I tested it on multiple trading instruments and the results were incredible. The win ratio sometimes reaches 96% and above. Check out these recent signals on the Forex price charts. The strategy is so simple that even an amateur can use it to make quick money. This applies to trading on smaller time frames like 5, 15, and 30 minutes. These indicators are 100% free. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a similar setup as well as the entry and exit rules of the strategy. Traders, if you enjoy my content, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I am teaching you the latest and very effective trading strategies in the simplest way. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. To apply the first indicator to the chart, open the Indicator tab and search for Dynamic Levels Breakouts and select this one by Angel Algo. This is a powerful tool designed to identify dynamic support and resistance levels in price action. It plots these levels on the chart and provides visual signals for bullish and bearish breakouts. In the indicator settings, you can customize the period. The higher the number, the less sensitive the reading will be. I recommend setting this value to 14. To keep the chart neat and tidy, I also suggest disabling the plots in the Style section. The Dynamic Levels Breakouts indicator is quite very accurate as a whole. Although these buy and sell signals are quite accurate in a trending market, the indicator still requires a filter that would cancel signals at price compression. I spent hours searching for a perfect indicator for that purpose and found the MACD bands, multi-time frame by TradeMaster indicator. MACD is a classic trend-following indicator that uses moving averages to identify changes in momentum. It can be used to identify trend changes, overbought and oversold conditions, and potential reversals. Because this indicator is multi-time frame, it is way more effective than a regular MACD. Let me show you what the multi-time frame feature does. Let's open the indicator's inputs first. Here we're presented with different configuration options such as source, moving average type, band multiplier, and time frame. By default, a chart time frame is enabled, but we can change this option. Instead of a current time frame, we can select a 1-hour time frame. This change will smooth out the MACD. The indicator will become less responsive to sudden price movements. My recommendation is to set the MACD 2 time frames higher than the current one. For example, if you use a 5-minute chart, set the MACD time frame to 45 minutes. If you're on a 15-minute chart, set the MACD time frame to 1 hour. However, you can experiment with the settings to find even better ones. This particular indicator consists of a MACD line and a signal line, a MACD histogram and trend clouds. When the market is heavily trending upwards, the MACD line crosses above the signal line. The cloud also appears green. When the market is heavily controlled by sellers, the MSD line is below the signal line. The cloud changes to red. So how can we combine these two indicators into one strategy? Before I tell you the answer, we need to decide which indicator will be the first confirmation and which will be the second. In this strategy, the first confirmation indicator will be the Dynamic Levels Breakout tool. This means that every buy or sell signal given by it will have to be approved by the MACD. Basically, if the Dynamic Levels Breakout gives a buy signal, the MACD has to be positive. The histogram color does not really matter. We need to keep things as simple as possible. Having a bunch of rules in place is no good for one reason. It would be extremely difficult to find a valid trade signal. Is this the complete strategy? You might ask, not quite. There is one piece missing, a third confirmation indicator. So open the Indicators tab again and search for Super Trend Zone, this one by Omega Tools. This simple trading indicator is designed to quickly identify and visualize short and long-term trends in any market. The primary purpose of the Super Trend Zone indicator is to recognize and visualize the dominant trend in a more intuitive and user-friendly format. This indicator is also multi-time frame. For example, if we change the time frame to a higher one, the plots will appear dashed. I recommend keeping the setting as default. The super trend zone consists of two super trends. The slower one shows the bigger picture. It does not react to sudden price spikes. It smooths out the price even when it consolidates. A faster super trend is more reactive to short-term price changes. Usually when slower and faster super trends confront each other, the market is in a correction phase. Remember, the slower super trend always confirms the signals given by the faster super trend. For example, if the slower super trend is bullish, you cannot take a short trade even if the faster one shows bearish momentum. I hope this makes sense. Now let's learn the complete rules for buying and selling with this strategy. In order to initiate a long trade, 3 conditions must be met. The first condition is a buy signal issued by the dynamic levels breakout. The second condition is MACD being positive or bullish. Pay attention to the cloud. When the cloud is green, strong buying pressure is evident. When the MACD narrows down, this signal is a drop in volume or a correction. Finally, check the super trend zone indicator for positive bias. Both super trends should be blue. You should open a long trade on the next candlestick if these conditions are present. Set the stop loss below the fast super trend. Target is 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio times. Let's see how this trade performs. Guys, if you like this trading strategy, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For a sell signal, make sure the following criteria are met. First, the dynamic levels breakout produces a sell signal. Second, the MACD is bearish. When the cloud is red, a strong selling pressure is present. You can still open a trade when the MACD is narrow. However, you should decrease your risk per position by half. For example, if you normally risk 2% per trade, in this case, you would risk no more than 1.5% per trade. Lastly, check the super trend zone indicator. Both super trends must be red. Never take a trade if one of the super trends is blue at the time of the signal. Be sure to follow the strategy's rules at all times. We can enter a sell position and set the stop loss above the recent high or fast super trend. Target is 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio times. Let's see plays out this trade. Won this trade. I hope this video can show you how the indicator works and how you can use it to enter profitable and powerful positions. If this video is useful for you, then please like it and subscribe the channel for more new strategy. See you again soon. Thanks for watching our video.